Hi everyone, welcome to Art with Kendra. In today's class, I'm going to demonstrate a sketch note, and to do so, I'm going to talk a little bit about owls. So when we do a sketch note, we want to have a clear title, and I like to have a big image to help communicate what the page is going to be about. So here's my owl drawing and the word owl. Now, owls are usually between 4 to 27 inches, and females are much larger than males. Sometimes an owl's eye can weigh up to 5% of its entire body weight. And owls range quite a bit in weight, but they can be up to 10 pounds. The largest owl is the great gray owl. Now, owls are known for being able to move their head around. They can actually move their head 270 degrees. And they have very good vision, the best night vision, in fact, of all birds. But they can't see color very well, and they cannot move their eyes within their head. They have 3 eyelids, and they have great hearing. All right, some fun facts. A baby owl is called an owlet. An owl will molt its feathers once a year, and when they fly, their feathers help them to be very silent, which makes them a skilled hunter. Now, owls can live up to 25 years, and their eyes are actually the shape of cones, which is why they can't move them around in their head. Now, when you're done your sketch note, add a splash of color to help communicate those key facts. And of course, make sure you're having fun. But some things to keep in mind is keep your drawing simple, keep it comprehensive, try to use as few words as possible, and make your page feel enjoyable so you want to look at it later on. All right, everybody, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye.